Let's show how easy it is to install my bolt-on 960 or late second gen 760 cup holder and air vent replacement. These are spring-loaded, so they will lock in place and pop out. So you can put a up to 66 millimeter drink or cup inside these. What you need to do is to find something to pull out the original grill. I made it easier right now. You have 4 Torx 25 screws that you need to take away. And on these parts there are a little metal clip that's resting and locking them in place right there. You need to flip out the decoration bar here so you can access and pull out the ventilation. Once you have that out, a bit easier with 2 hands. You see this flap needs to go away. It's locking here with 2 pins on the flat end on the diagonal, and you just need to pry it out like this. These are going on the inside and just click straight on. Then you pull away by putting a little bit force towards this, so this small pin releases, and off it went. Now you place it back in like that, 4 screws, and then you just make sure you have the metal clips on both sides. Check that you have the drink icon the straight way. You place it in, and it just snaps straight in. Now you can make your drink. Obviously this is not a 960. This is a Volvo 242 with a custom 960 dash.